Hey there, it's JR with the AGS company. Today I want to talk about a common problem you'll find in a lot of late model cars, and that's the fading and discoloration of plastic pieces. This is Jeep fenders, trim, molding, bumper tops, full bumpers, mirrors. Got a lot of products out here that do that. This one lasts for weeks. This one lasts for 100 car washes. This one 200 car washes, wow. But what they're telling you is it's coming off. It's not gonna last forever. We looked at that and we said there's gotta be a better way. There's gotta be a permanent solution. And that's where we put our chemists and our heads together and came up with our AOR 500 bumper and trim restorer. This is a completely different product than what's out there. Think of those products as furniture polish. Think of this as wood stain. These sit on top of the surface. And eventually, with rain, car washes, sun, they're gonna come off. What ours does a little differently. It actually embeds into the plastic. And it takes the resins and the color and embeds it into the plastic. And it's there forever. And we're so sure of it, we're offering a lifetime guarantee. So we're not gonna do 200 car washes, we're gonna do 100 years of car washes. So that's our product, and I wanna show you how easy it is to use. We have a bumper off a 2005 Ford Escape. You look at every Escape on the planet, every Jeep fenders, they're all faded. We're taking this bumper off for demonstration purposes, but in real world, you do not have to take the bumper off. You will need to mask with some newspaper and tape, just so you don't get any the product on any of the painted surfaces. So let's go take a look at this. We have the bumper over here, and we'll be right back. And remember, always wear respiratory, eye, and skin protection when painting. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and away from any open flame. Now I'm using the AOR 99 surface prep. The key to any successful paint job is to get it clean, get it clean, get it clean. This will remove contaminants, oils, greases, anything that could affect adhesion. It's plastic safe, it's great for metals, fiberglass. Anything you paint, you should put this down first. Okay, now I have our AOR 500. What you don't see is off camera, I shook it for about 2 minutes to get it good mixed inside the can. And if you notice, I'm applying very light coats. It's better to do 2 or 3 light coats than 1 heavy coat. The light coat helps maintain the original texture of the bumper. Now look at that, it looks like a factory finish. It looks like that car came right out of the showroom. 16, 17-year-old bumper. This car is gonna look great when we do the rest of it. Well, you saw how beautiful that bumper came out. And it changes the whole look of the car, which is basically a nice car, but the faded bumpers made it look old and ratty. Now, you do all the bumpers, the trim, the mirrors, that thing's gonna look brand new. And we used a little bit more than half a can to do that entire bumper. Now I have a lot left in the can. I went in the backyard this morning. There's a lot of other things around the house you can do. This is the top of my patio umbrella. It's all faded, we need to do that. This is the bushing that goes in my glass table that holds your umbrella. Little things like that make a difference, makes everything look brand new. And the more you use this product, the more uses you'll find for it. That's it, that's our AOR 500 from the AGS company. You can look for our other rust solutions products. These eliminate, treat, and prevent rust. You say, why would you put this product in rust solutions? Well, it doesn't make sense because it's plastic. So that's why we called it Resto Solutions. So it's the little baby brother product line of the Rust Solutions. So go to rustsolutions.com or agscompany.com. Check out the products and buy some today. Thanks for your time.